Ever wondered why your loop keeps running when you thought it would stop? The break statement is one of Java's most powerful control flow tools, but many developers confuse it with continue. The break statement does exactly what it says. It immediately terminates the loop and jumps to the first line of code after the loop. When Java encounters break, it doesn't check the loop condition again, doesn't run another iteration, it just exits. Think of it as an emergency escape hatch. In this example, once we find the number 5, break stops the loop instantly, even though we have more numbers to check. Here's a critical detail. Any code after the break statement in the loop body becomes unreachable. In this example, the print statement after break will never execute for the element that triggers the break. Java will actually give you a compiler warning about unreachable code if you try this. When you have nested loops, break only exits the innermost loop where it appears. The outer loop continues normally. In this example, when we break from the inner loop at j equals 2, only the inner loop stops. The outer loop keeps iterating through I. If you need to exit multiple loops, you'll need labeled breaks or a different approach. So when should you use break? The most common use case is searching. When you find what you're looking for, there's no point continuing. Break also helps with early exits when a condition is met, like stopping input validation once you find an error, or terminating an infinite loop when a sentinel value appears. Don't confuse break with continue. Continue skips the rest of the current iteration but stays in the loop. Break exits the entire loop completely. Different tools for different jobs. Remember, break is your emergency exit from a loop when you find what you need or meet a stopping condition. Master this and you'll write cleaner, more efficient code. Practice this concept and level up your Java skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.